In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layer masks in GIMP. Layer masks are one of the most powerful tools in image editing because they let you hide or reveal parts of a layer without actually erasing anything. Think of a layer mask as a flexible, reversible way to control visibility. Instead of deleting pixels, you're simply telling GIMP which parts of the layer should be visible and which parts should be hidden. First, open your image in GIMP. You should see it appear as a layer in the Layers panel, usually on the right side of the screen. If you don't see the Layers panel, you can bring it up by going to the Windows menu, then Dockable Dialogues and choosing Layers. This panel is where you'll manage your layers and add your mask. Now, select the layer you want to work on by clicking it in the Layers panel. Then, right-click on that layer and choose Add Layer Mask. A small window will pop up with a few options, such as white, full opacity, black, full transparency, or grayscale copy of the layer. For most basic edits, you'll want to choose white, which keeps everything visible to start with, and then click Add. You'll notice a new thumbnail appear next to your layer's thumbnail in the Layers panel. This is the mask. When the mask is active, any black you paint on it will hide parts of the layer, and any white you paint will reveal them. Shades of gray will partially hide the layer, creating smooth transitions. To start using the mask, click on the mask thumbnail to make sure it's selected. Then choose the brush tool from the toolbox. Set your foreground color to black. As you paint on the image, you'll see those parts of the layer become transparent, allowing the layers underneath to show through. If you make a mistake, just switch your brush color to white and paint over the area to bring it back. For cleaner results, adjust the brush size and hardness in the tool options. A soft brush is great for blending edges, like hair or shadows, while a hard brush works better for sharp edges. Finally, remember that your original image is never destroyed when you use a mask. You can always refine, disable, or even remove the mask later. This non-destructive workflow is what makes layer masks so essential in GIMP.